If you run an HVAC, plumbing, or electrical business and you're still doing your own books, or worse, you barely even look at them, you may be leaking cash and not even know it. This could be costing you thousands each year on missed profits, surprise tax bills, and bad financial decisions. In this video, I'm going to show you when it makes sense to DIY, when to hand it off, and how to avoid hiring the wrong person. Here's what I've seen. Business owners think they're saving money by doing the books themselves or waiting to fix it later, whenever that comes. But what actually happens is they miss deductible expenses, they don't know their true profit, they get hit with surprise tax bills, and they keep underpricing jobs because they're flying blind. Your numbers aren't just about tax time. They should drive your pricing, your job costing, your job planning, and whether or not you're building a business or just staying busy with work. Bookkeeping isn't just data entry. Sure, it includes tracking income and expenses, reconciling to ensure all transactions are accounted for, managing the documents that back it all up. But most importantly, it's the foundation for your business, the foundation for your financial dashboard. Trying to run a business without it? Well, that's like trying to drive a truck, aka your business, with a shattered windshield. So when is it time to hand over your bookkeeping? If you're making more than $250,000 a year, it might be time. Your time is likely better spent on sales, jobs, or managing your crew at that point. If you're both the owner and the bookkeeper, you're likely not doing both to maximum effectiveness. If you're behind more than 30 days on your bookkeeping. So if you're not caught up month to month, you're not able to see the truth of your business financial health. Your numbers are outdated by the time you're able to use them for business decisions. If you guess at pricing, taxes, or cash flow. If you say, I think I'll owe about, or I should have enough for payroll, that's a red flag. That means it's falling too far off your plate. If you can't say how much profit you made last month, again, if you don't know whether or not you won or lost with your business decisions last month, that can be dangerous. You're not driving the business. If you've had a surprise tax bill or cash shortfall, those aren't surprises. They're symptoms. Symptoms that your books aren't showing you the full story of your financial health. If you simply just dread logging into QuickBooks, or your CPA is charging you extra every time they need to look at your books, those are both signs that it might be time to offload. So if you said yes to one or two of these questions, it's probably time to hire a bookkeeper. Your time at this point is more valuable closing jobs or running crews than clicking around in spreadsheets. And remember, the bigger you get, the more expensive those DIY mistakes become. Okay, you convinced me. I'll hire a bookkeeper. But who do I hire? Well, not just any bookkeeper will work. Most are going to be generalists or receptionists wearing multiple hats. They'll reconcile your bank accounts, but they don't understand seasonality, job costing, your tech stack, your cash flow cycles. Ultimately, the bookkeeper you hire should be used as leverage to buy back your time, but you also need to ensure that you're hiring one to help provide you additional financial clarity and control. Therefore, a good bookkeeper will have experience with HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses. They'll know your systems like Service Titan, Jobber, House Call Pro. They'll understand job costing and cash flow, not just reconcile QuickBooks. They'll keep your books accurate monthly. They'll categorize expenses for tax deductions. They'll give clean reports for decision making, and they're going to be proactive. You don't just hear from them at tax time. They're in your corner all year long. Now, that sounds like a lot, but I promise you, it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Only large multi-million-dollar businesses have enough accounting work to keep a $60,000 full-time employee busy all year long. What you should be looking for is a fractional bookkeeper. At this point, you should know whether or not you should be hiring a bookkeeper, and you should know what type of bookkeeper you're looking for. If you're still not sure whether or not you're ready to hand it off, or you're not sure whether your DIY books are holding you back, I can help you figure that out. So I offer a free cash flow deep dive. It's built specifically for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses. And we'll walk through your books, your systems, and your cash flow to find out if you're losing money or if you just need better visibility on that. It's free, it's fast, and it might save you thousands. just DM me the word cash, and I'll send over the scheduling link for a quick 30-minute Zoom call. And check out my other free resources, or DM, comment with other accounting-related questions you might have. I'm more than happy to help. And don't forget, DM me cash, and we can get that 30-minute Zoom call set up. You don't have to keep guessing. Let's plug these profit leaks together, and we can get that cash flowing for your business. I'll talk to you soon.